Hello, let's look into today's Leetcode problem, which is adding spaces to a string. In this question, you are given with a string s and also an integer array spaces, and what they want us to do is add spaces to the string. And after adding spaces to the string on given indices, our result will look like this. So the question is easy to understand and answer is also easy. So let's try looking into this example, walk through it quickly and see what could be done in order to arrive a solution. So they want us to add space on index 8. So 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. In the 8th index you add a space. This is the 8th index. Similarly, this will be our 13th index and this will be our 15th index. If you do counting, if you do indexing, then it will be evident that this is the 8th index and 8th index will have a space. Similarly, for 13th and 15th index, you will have a space. So the problem is pretty straightforward. In most of the programming languages, you will have substring functionality, and I have leveraged that functionality over here. So what I simply tried to do was try to form substring and add spaces. That's the way I did it. So let's try looking into the example, right? Let's one for the first word and last word, it is slightly an edge case. I really would not say an edge case, but extra two lines that you need to add. But for the words which are not first or last word, what you simply do is try to make substring this way. So we have an index 8 and we have an index 13. So the substring will be like start from index 8, go till 13 minus 8, that is 5. So start from index 8 and the word's length should be 5. That is how you read it for a substring functionality in C++. So here what I say is start from index 8, which is h, and go till 13 minus 8, 5. That is till the string. So this will form as a substring. Similarly, for 13 and 15, it will be try to form a substring starting from index 13, and 15 minus 13 is 2 and the length of that substring is 2. So we form another word here. So now we have exhausted the search here. That's why we won't be able to get a substring for last word. And similarly for first word as well, we don't have I minus 1 or I basically. That's why I said it is like an edge case, but it's not an edge case. So for that, for finding the first and last word, I used this code. So the substring will basically start from index 0 and the length of that substring is till 8th index. So that's how I've interpreted it, and I added space here. Similarly, for the last index as well, what you need to do is simply return the starting index. You don't need to return ending index because it's the last word for the sentence. And after that, you simply return the result. So after forming a substring, right, you simply append a space. You do it for all other words. And in the end, you don't add the space and you simply return it. So that's actually pretty much it. Okay, so thanks for watching. Bye bye.